In today's fast-paced digital world, the possibilities for generating passive income have reached new heights with the advent of AI technology. It's no longer just a distant dream to create faceless social media accounts that rake in thousands of dollars in passive income. Today, I will show you how I make money with AI-generated shorts, finding the perfect AI tool for your social media account. The first step on your journey to success is identifying an AI tool that resonates with your target audience. Futurepedia.io is an excellent resource for discovering cutting-edge AI tools, constantly updated to keep you in the loop. After some exploration, I found the ideal AI tool to promote, Sonara. This revolutionary platform utilizes artificial intelligence to scour through millions of job listings daily and apply to jobs on your behalf, making it a valuable asset for those seeking employment in today's challenging job market. Crafting the script, AI-powered assistance. Once you have your AI tool, the next step is to create an engaging script for your video. My approach involves extracting information from the website and summarizing it using the help of ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool. By doing so, you can efficiently generate scripts, providing you with the content foundation for your video. Google Docs is an excellent platform for organizing and consolidating these scripts into a coherent narrative, creating realistic voices and assembling video assets. Once your script is polished and ready, the time has come to infuse it with life and personality. Thanks to the wonders of modern AI technology, generating realistic voices has never been easier. Enter 11 Labs, an innovative AI tool that can seamlessly transform your written words into spoken dialogue with astonishing authenticity. With your script loaded into 11 Labs, the magic begins. Select from a variety of voice options to find the perfect tone and style that aligns with your video's theme and target audience. Whether you seek a professional and authoritative voice or a friendly and approachable demeanor, 11 Labs offers a diverse range of choices to suit your needs. With the script in hand, you can then gather relevant assets to create your video. Look for no copyright Minecraft gameplay videos on YouTube and select the one that best complements your content. Download this video using SnapSave and search for demo videos of the AI tool to enhance your visual presentation further. Video editing and captioning. CapCut is a free video editing app that comes in handy during this phase. Import all the gathered assets into CapCut and begin crafting your video. To add value and accessibility to your video, incorporate captions using auto captions and animations. Customize the style of the captions to make them visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Now that we have the assets, the question is, how can we make money out of it? Keep watching to find out the Beacons page, an opportunity for passive income. As your video takes shape, it's time to set up a Beacons page, a powerful platform that allows you to add multiple links to your social media bio. With this page, you can promote and monetize your newsletter effectively. Newsletters are the upcoming trend, and platforms like Beehive are paying creators for every subscriber they bring in. By referring people to other newsletters, you can start earning passive income in no time. The newsletter strategy for sustainable income. Creating your own newsletter becomes a vital aspect of this passive income strategy. Beehive offers the Boost feature, allowing you to earn between $2 to $4 for every person you refer to other newsletters within your niche. By simply bringing in around 40 subscribers, you can cover the monthly cost of $99, making this a lucrative and sustainable income opportunity. Look for inspiration from others who have successfully implemented this strategy, and you'll find the path to financial success clearer than ever before. However, it's essential to remember that building a successful newsletter requires dedication and a genuine commitment to providing value to your audience. Regularly engaging with your subscribers, understanding their needs, and addressing their pain points will be instrumental in maintaining a loyal and active readership. In addition to Beehive's Boost feature, consider exploring other monetization opportunities for your newsletter. Sponsored content, affiliate partnerships, and exclusive premium subscriptions are among the myriad options available to further bolster your income streams. Embrace the opportunity and take action. Now equipped with this comprehensive guide, it's time to take action and unleash the power of AI-driven social media for passive income. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and leveraging the potential of AI tools, you too can create profitable social media accounts that generate passive income. So, seize the opportunity, close the YouTube app, and embark on this exciting journey toward financial freedom. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to bring you more valuable insights and opportunities to secure your financial future. Good luck, take care, and see you on the path to success.